Today we're showing how to do the new Eureka Zenith grinder, how to remove and to clean and repair the dosager. First step, remove the hopper. Grab yourself a Phillips screwdriver, small as possible. Remove the cover. There are 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. Just be careful not to lose little screws, just remove. You can be able to use the cover to put your little screws in as well. After removing the 3 screws, you slowly just take the plastic cover off. This now exposes the micro switch. This turns the grinder on and off automatically. Grab yourself a marker. Mark the top 1 and the bottom 2. Micro switch easy comes off as so. Remove 1. As you know, the single is neutral. Remove 2. Micro switch just places into the container. As you can see in the middle, there is a large Phillips screw. Grab yourself a Phillips screwdriver again and unscrew the large screw. As you can see, I don't have to pull the Phillips screw all the way out. To remove, on an angle, grab your connections, put 1 through at a time, 1 and 2, lift straight out on an angle. To clean, very simple, just go to a bin, empty it upside down, give it a clean. You can see there's nothing in there you can lose, okay. Okay, to replace, to put back on. There are 2 lugs on the bottom, and you can see on the bottom of the dosage chamber, on an angle again, goes as so. Put your 2 wires through the small hole, 1 and 2, as so. Push as so. Do up your Phillips nut. Not too tight for not snapping it. Place your micro switch. Remembering the top is 1, middle is neutral, 2 is active. There are 2 small lugs, which micro switch has got a hole on top and bottom. Goes in as so. While placing your finger over the top of the micro switch, you can be able to hold the micro switch down by replacing the cover. As easy as that. Replace the 3 screws. Not too tight without snapping the lid. Sorry, a bit slippery with the coffee. Place cover as so, like original.